By completing tasks and various surveys, and also just by simple clicking, you can earn up to $100 a day. Just listen to me and follow along with the rest of the video, and I'll teach you how you can reach a positive income of $100 a day on this amazing site by simply doing easy tasks throughout the day. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in the field of earning. But in dollars, thank you very much for staying with me in the video up to this point. If you enjoyed the video so far, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to registering on this exciting site. Click on the sign up option. I will put the site link in the video description so you can access the site and complete your registration. In the first section, enter your email, and in the second and third sections, enter your password. Click on the I am not a robot option or the CAPTCHA. Solve the CAPTCHA, and then click on the register option. It's that easy to enter. The site. In this section, I will show you that you can bring in a referral. Receive up to 150% of the income from your referral, which includes a 5% bonus that you get with my referral link. You can take advantage of this to help you earn in dollars and achieve financial independence. That's allowing you to earn much more income besides. And as you can see in the section below, through referrals for each friend or acquaintance you bring in, guys, you easily receive 150% of their income. You can easily earn a substantial income through this section. If this site pays your friend $10 daily, you receive $15, meaning you get 2.5 times your friend's income. So if it's $100, you get $150. If it's $1,000, you receive $1,500. You can earn a very good income by clicking, completing surveys, and performing easy tasks, allowing you to generate a substantial income using these options. If you click on the deposit option, you can make your deposit to this site, and then if you want, you can post surveys for this site or share an Instagram link if you wish to do so. Have a steady income and earn in dollars. You can go to the deposit section and definitely make your investment. However, my suggestion to you is not to do this at all. Instead, just click on the withdraw option and use the digital currency Litecoin to make your withdrawal. In section D, I will explain how you can easily reach an income of $300 per day on the next site. You just have to wait for the next video, which I will upload for you tomorrow night at the usual time. I always post videos. You can visit my video, and channel, and by subscribing, liking, and commenting, learn the best earning methods from me. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can earn up to 150% through referrals. Through your own referral and achieve financial independence in your business. No matter where you are in the world, you can earn in dollars with the methods I teach you using your mobile phone. Whether you are in the mountains, in the desert, or anywhere else, you can have your own dollar income. I really love you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get ready for tomorrow night's video, which is going to be much more awesome than this one. Thank you. Goodbye.